In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create stickers in Canva step by step. Whether you want to make stickers for Etsy, print them at home, use them for digital planners, or create fun social media graphics, Canva makes the entire process incredibly simple. You don't need any advanced design skills, and by the end of this video, you'll have a professional-looking sticker ready to download. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first step is to start with a small canvas. Open Canva and click on Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. For stickers, size matters because you want a square format that's easy to print or use digitally. I recommend using either 500 by 500 pixels for small stickers or 1000 by 1000 pixels if you want higher resolution and more detail. Type in your dimensions, make sure the unit is set to pixels, and click Create New Design. Now you have the perfect base for your sticker. Next, it's time to add your image or graphic. You can either upload your own photo by going to the Uploads tab and selecting your file, or you can use elements directly from Canva's library. If you're creating something like a cute character sticker, logo sticker, or decorative icon, just click on Elements and search for the style you want. Once you find your image or graphic, click on it to add it to your canvas and resize it so it fits nicely within the square. Try to leave a little space around the edges, because we'll be adding an outline next. Now, if you're using a photo or an image with a background, this step is very important. We're going to remove the background to create that clean sticker cutout look. Click on your image, then go to Edit Photo in the top toolbar and select Background Remover. Canva will automatically process the image and remove the background for you. This works best with clear subjects and good lighting. Once it's done, you'll see your image isolated on a transparent background. This is what gives stickers that professional die-cut appearance. After removing the background, we're going to add the classic white outline that makes it look like a real sticker. With your image selected, click on Edit Photo again, then go to Effects and choose Outline. Once the outline settings appear, set the color to white. Then increase the thickness slider until you get a bold, visible border around your design. You can adjust the blur to 0 if you want a sharp edge. This white border is what makes your sticker stand out, especially when placed on different backgrounds. If you want to take your sticker to the next level, you can also add optional effects like shadow, glow, or drop effects. With your image selected, explore the shadow section in the Edit Photo panel. A subtle drop shadow can give your sticker more depth, while a glow effect can make it pop. Just don't overdo it. Stickers usually look best with clean, simple styling. Adjust the transparency, blur, and direction until you're happy with the result. Once your design is finished, it's time to download it properly. This step is very important. Click on Share in the top right corner, then click Download. Choose PNG as your file type because PNG supports transparency. After selecting PNG, make sure to turn on the transparent background option. This ensures your sticker won't have a white square behind it and will be ready for printing or digital use. Then click Download and your sticker is ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional-looking sticker in Canva from scratch. You started with the right canvas size, added your image, removed the background, applied a clean white outline, enhanced it with optional effects, and exported it correctly as a transparent PNG. Whether you're selling stickers, using them for branding, or just making them for fun, this method works every time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.